Today's global commerce is changing, rerouting and demanding more from flight plans of private jets. Companies today require large cabin, long-range aircraft that can fly non-stop to access overseas markets. This category of aircraft delivers executives to long-distance destinations in hours, substantially improving the efficiency of travel and optimizing their work schedule. One of the top performers in this category is the Gulfstream 550. This popular aircraft has a full-fuel maximum range of 6,820 nautical miles at its long-range cruise speed. Other popular long-range private jets include the Global 6000, formerly known as the Global Express XRS, which ranks third for long-range flights. Then there's the Falcon 7X in fourth place for its long-range capability, with a 5,950 nautical mile range. The Falcon 7X is unique in that it has 3 engines rather than the typical twin-engine jets. For greater passenger seating capacity, the Boeing Business Jet series, which are variants of the Boeing airliners for the corporate jet market, are the ideal choice. This aircraft usually seats between 25 and 50 passengers with a luxurious configuration. Configurations may include a master bedroom, a washroom with showers, a combination conference dining room, and a living area. The most popular reason to use business jets with exceptionally long ranges remains time, security, and quality of life. The next time you charter, let an experienced Stratus Jet Charters flight specialist match you with the right aircraft for your flight's mission.